Palo Santo is characterized by being a literal stick of wood. It has a sweet, uplifting scent. And I'm telling you, anytime you like this, you're gonna feel so much better. It originates from South America. It has been used for centuries by indigenous tribes to cleanse, to bring in protection, and to bring in joy and the positive, the beautiful things in life, to bring in great energy. It has a sweet aromatic scent to it. And I'm telling you, when you burn Palo Santo, you just feel better because it uplifts the spirits. Light the tip of the stick, let it smolder, and gently waft the smoke around your space. As you do so, not only visualize, but make sure your intention is clear to whatever you want to do. If you want to cleanse, make sure you envision it clearing your space, clearing yourself, whatever you're cleansing. If you want to invite in gratitude, envision that. Envision you being thankful for XYZ. And if you want to invite in joy and clarity, because Palo Santo will do that for you. It will provide crystal clear clarity. Don't tell me. Don't say I didn't warn you. Do not say I didn't warn you. And as always, know what you're asking for, because you will get it. Side note, always have some sort of fire-resistant dish, whether it be a cast iron mini pot or abalone shell. Always have something that is fire-resistant to catch the ashes. I like to use Palo Santo when I'm meditating, and meditation looks different for everyone. You don't have to sit there and be in silence. Meditation is as unique as every person. I use it when I'm meditating on a question or an answer, again, that clarity. Maybe I'm stuck on something. I like to use that because it, again, provides that clarity. It also, like I said, uplifts your spirit. So if you just feel heavy, if you just feel a little heavy and you need a little pep in your step, go ahead and light you some Palo Santo. There are so many different ways you can use it. Don't limit yourself. Use it as your spirit sees fit. Remember, beautiful souls, smudging is a sacred practice between you and spirit. Thank you for joining me today with Original Botanica. If you liked the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more spiritual guidance, and let me know in the comments, which smudge do you prefer? Which one is your favorite and why? And if you're up to sharing, how do you use it? Until next time, y'all, remember to honor your path and embrace your magic. Bye.